In this video, we are going to discuss about metrics, roles and responsibilities in request fulfillment. So what are the metrics? The metrics are user satisfaction survey feedback as well as number of requests fulfilled. That means these are the two key metrics in request fulfillment, that we get a satisfaction survey feedback from the user as well as how many number of requests fulfilled also is considered as a number one or the key metric in request fulfillment. So coming to roles and responsibilities in request fulfillment. The roles are, they usually not dedicated roles such as request manager is available, but you see request fulfillment is managed by staff in service desk, might be incident team or any team which is designated by the organization. That means the organization will give this role to service desk or incident management or any other team who can manage this request fulfillments. And also typical responsibilities as per request process flow. So there will be typical responsibilities by this request fulfillment as per the request process flow designed for the organization. And also mostly service desk manager is accountable and he will be the he will be playing the key role here, and also he will be accountable for whatever the request fulfillments or the service which comes in.